Guys, first of all, take a look at this channel. This channel gained 24,000 subscribers by uploading only 34 videos. And its recent video, which was uploaded 6 days ago, has 212,000 views. And 212,000 views are enough for a channel to get monetized. Now look at this other channel. This channel gained 10,000 subscribers by uploading only 7 videos. And this channel was started just 2 weeks ago. And this channel is also monetized. So guys, watch this video, which I created completely for free. After watching this video completely, you will also be able to create videos like these, that too completely free and in very little time. Now, to create videos like these, first of all, you need to open ChatGPT. After that, you have to paste this prompt. I have designed this prompt for you. In this prompt, you just need to fill in a few details, and your video script will be generated automatically. As you can see in the prompt, here you have story time. For example, it mentions 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Here, you can write how long you want your story to be. Next, there is type of script. It includes options like visuals only, voiceover plus visuals, or dialogue based. You need to fill this according to the type of video you want to create. Next is number of characters. Here, you need to fill how many characters will be there in your story. Next is character details. Here, you need to mention who will be in your story. For example, husband and wife, grandmother and child, or any other characters. Next is season/weather. Here, you need to fill which season you want to create your story in. Next is place/environment. Here, you need to write in which environment you want to create your story. Next is main emotion to highlight. Here, you need to fill which emotion you want to show in your video. For example, peace, sadness, or any other emotion you want. Next and last is ending type. You can fill this according to your preference. After filling all these details, press enter. Now you can see that the scene-by-scene script for your video is completely ready. Now you need to paste the second prompt, which you will find in the description. All the prompts used in this video will be available in the description. After pasting this prompt, press enter. Now you can see that the character descriptions, the image style, and the image prompts have all been generated. Now from here, I will copy the child character prompt. We will generate the images using the AutoWhisk extension. So now, go to Google and search for AutoWhisk extension. Open the website. After opening it, you will see an interface like this. Here, you will see the option Remove from Chrome. If you have not installed it yet, you will see Add to Chrome or Get. Click there and install the extension. After installing, click here. Then click on AutoWhisk. Here, you will see 3 options. Click on the second option. Then click on Go to Whisk. After that, click on Enter Tool. Now an interface like this will open in front of you. Here, you will see Prompt List. Below that, there is a box where you can paste your entire story prompts at once. This tool can generate all the images for your full story in one single click. You do not need to copy and paste again and again. There are also some settings here. If you click here, the images will be automatically downloaded after generation. From here, you can also select the language. I select English here. Now, paste the child character prompt that we copied earlier. From here, you can also select the image ratio. If you are creating a long-form video, select 16:9. If you are creating a short video, select 9:16. I am selecting 16:9 here. Then click Send. After a short time, the image will be generated. Now you can see that the image has been generated, but the image style is not correct. So to fix the image style, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the image style prompt. Come back here, paste it, and click Send. Now you can see that our image has been generated in Ghibli style. Now, go back to ChatGPT again. Copy the second character prompt. Paste it here. Keep the image style prompt the same, then click send. Now you can see that the second character image has also been generated. Now to keep the characters consistent, you need to click on add image. After clicking on add image, you will see 3 boxes: subject, scene, and style. If you upload an image in the style box, then you will not need to mention the image style in every prompt. The style of the image that you upload here will get locked, and all images will be generated in the same style. So here, I drag this image and add it to the style box. If you upload an image in the scene box, then your background will remain consistent in every image. And if you upload images in the subject box, then your characters will remain consistent in every image. So here, I drag this image and add it to the subject box. Then, I click on the plus icon and add the second character image as well. After doing this, you need to go back to ChatGPT again. Then type, "Give me all image prompts in TXT format without any headings," and press enter. Now you can see that all the image prompts have been converted into TXT format without any headings. Now, copy all these prompts. Come back to AutoWhisk. Now paste all the prompts into the box below prompt list. After pasting the prompts, you will see a blue start button below. Click on it. After clicking start, you will see 2 options. The first option is create new project. If you click on this, your images will be generated in a new project. The second option is run on this project. If you click on this, your images will be generated in the same project that is already open. So here, I click on the second option. Now you can see that the images have started generating. You can also see that the images are being downloaded automatically, and you can clearly see that the characters are consistent in every image. Now, all our images have been generated with consistent characters. Now you can see that all the images have been downloaded. AutoWhisk also creates a separate folder automatically. AutoWhisk generates 2 images for 1 prompt. So here, both images have been downloaded. From these 2 images, you need to keep the one you like and delete the one you do not like. So here, I delete the image that I do not like and keep the better one. Now, we have generated all the images. Next, we need to animate these images. For animation, go back to ChatGPT and paste this prompt, then press enter. This prompt will convert all the image prompts into animation prompts. Now you can see that all the animation prompts have been generated. Now, to animate the images, we will use Grok AI. So go to Google and search for Grok AI and open the website. After opening the website, you will see an interface like this. Now click on Imagine. Then upload the first scene image. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene animation prompt. Now come back to Grok, paste the prompt here, and click send. After a short time, your image will be animated. Now you can see that the first scene image has been animated. It is animated according to the scene and it looks perfect. Now you will see 3 dots here. Click on them. Then click on Upscale Video. When it converts to HD, download the video. Now go back and upload the second scene image. Then go to ChatGPT again. Copy the second scene prompt and paste it here. Click send. Now you can see that the second scene image has also been animated. Now upscale it and download it. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the third scene prompt. Come back to Grok, upload the third scene image, paste the prompt, and click send. Now you can see that the third scene has also been animated. This scene is animated perfectly. Now upscale it and download it. Now, animate all the remaining scenes using the same process. I will animate all the remaining scenes and you should do the same. Now you can see that all scenes are animated. One important thing I want to tell you, Grok allows you to animate only a limited number of videos per day for free. If your video is long, you will not be able to animate all scenes in one day. But don't worry guys, there is a solution for this. When your animation limit is finished, click here and sign out. Then click on Sign In. After that, click on Continue with Google. Now sign in using a different email ID. I have signed in with a different email here. Now, I upload the image again. You will notice that the image starts generating automatically. But we do not want this, because we want the animation to happen according to the ChatGPT animation prompt. So to stop this, click here. Then click on Settings. After that, click on Behavior. Now scroll down and turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. Now, your image will not generate automatically. Now paste the animation prompt and click Send. After some time, the image will be animated. Now you can see that the animation looks exactly the way we want. After animating the images, go to any editor. I am using CapCut. Now click on Import and import all your animated clips. After importing, add all the clips to the timeline scene by scene. After adding the clips, you can also add transitions. I am using the mix transition. You can use any transition you like. You can also adjust the transition duration. After adjusting, click on Apply to All. This will add the transition to all clips. Now my video is completely ready. Now it's your turn. Create videos like this and grow your channel. If you face any problem, comment below and I will reply to everyone. If you like the video, like the video and subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments which niche you want the next tutorial on. So we'll meet again with the next tutorial. Till then, bye.